Hurricane Erin is tracking west just northeast of the Caribbean. The hurricane is currently located just east-northeast of the Leeward Islands and is moving west-northwest at around 17 miles per hour. The forecast track is for Erin to pass near or just north of the northern Leeward Islands, the US and British Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico this weekend. The long-range forecast has a high chance of Erin becoming a major hurricane, Category 3 or higher. Its track is expected to turn north next week, with Bermuda needing to monitor the storm's progress closely. As Erin tracks north, the US East Coast will experience large swells and dangerous rip currents, which may also lead to coastal flooding and beach erosion. Subscribe to stay updated on anything tropical.